Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys the best free wallpaper app for your iPhone. Really good application, and it's just available in your app store, so it's really easy and accessible to get. All you have to do to get the application is head over to your app store, open that up, and you just want to search for Wallcraft. So just wall and craft, no space. And then it's just going to be this first application right here. You're going to want to download that. Once you have it downloaded, you can exit out of here and go into it and open it up. Now, when you're opening yours up for the first time, it's just going to tell you what device that you have. So you just want to click on confirm when it tells you the device that you have, and then it's going to ask for your age. Just put that in there, and then you will come directly to this screen right here, the main screen. Now, it's going to show you all the wallpapers at first. So if you like one, you can just go and click on one. And then when it opens up, you'll see that it's a very good quality, and it's fitted for your phone as well. Now, to download the pictures when you're in here, you just click on the little download button. And then it's just going to let you know that it needs photo permission to save in your photos. So you click on yes. And then you want to go into here. And then you just want to change the access from never to read and write. And then it will allow it to save it to your photos. So you just want to go back over to the application. And then click on the same picture you wanted and just download it. And then it will tell you that it's going to adapt to your size. So you want to click on portrait, just so it's going to be good for a wallpaper. And then it'll be saved to your photos. Now, another thing when you're looking into this application as well, you'll see this little pull tab right under the download button. If you swipe up on that, it'll show you a lot of similar wallpapers compared to what you're looking at right now. So that's pretty cool as well. So if you're interested in one certain wallpaper, you don't have to go searching for it, which is nice. Another thing is when you're in the application, you could just swipe through the photos like this if you don't want to scroll down that big page of random stuff. So that's another cool feature. As well as when you're on this screen, you could search for stuff at the top right, as well as going to the top left corner. Just click on the three lines there, and then you'll see a ton of categories that you can go through as well for this. So let's just say if we're looking at nature or any category in that manner, right when you get on that category, I recommend just clicking on rating. You'll probably be on new when you first click on it, but if you just switch over to rating, it'll show you the top rated for that category, so it shows you all the best quality ones. So as you guys can see here, some of these are really nice quality. Now, I hope I helped you guys out with showing you this application. Be sure to go check it out from your app store. It's totally free. I just find there's a lot of great applications on here. If I helped you out with this and you're going to take advantage of this, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.